Friday night, cloudy. Rain likely in the evening. Then a chance of rain and snow after midnight. Lows in the mid-30s. Chance of precipitation 70%. Saturday, cloudy. A chance of rain and snow in the morning. This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. Highs around 40. The preceding signal was the Pacific Weather Radio Station KIH. 42 Covington, Kentucky. Public warning system. Rain and snow in the evening. During potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers can be automatic 30%. Sunday, cloudy. Highs in the lower 40s. Signal and receivers performance are normally conducted. More information. Monday, Wednesday, cloudy. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Lows in the lower reception of this broadcast, and Tuesday, especially the warning along tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even in cloudy. The receiver. Public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receivers performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Kentucky: Carroll, Franklin, Gallatin, Grant, Harrison, Henry, Pendleton, Owen, Scott, and Shelby. And in Indiana, Switzerland. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KZZ, 48 Owenton, Kentucky. Henry, Jefferson, 11 a.m. Shelby, at the Cincinnati, Trimble, Kentucky. This concludes the test of the new weather radio warning alarm and the emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. Here is the hazardous weather. Nearby, it will standard receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. local time, and every Wednesday between 7 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or hazard day. Broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office in Louisville, from a transmitter in Lexington on a frequency of 162.4 megahertz, with a rebroadcast through a transmitter in Madison County on a frequency of 1. Agency.
Come on, decode it. Yes! Yes, yes, yes. What?
Indianapolis.
Oh man, let me go back to the channel list.
Hudson, Mercer, Montgomery, Nicholas, Scott, and Woodford. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and the emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Decatur, Jackson, Jennings, Johnson, Ripley, Scott, and Shelby. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WWG 73. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio WWG Jasper. It was fair. The rain in the rain. Chance of relative